What are the different digital radio modes? Okay, so we talked about analog versus digital. We talked about frequency ranges. So analog and digital both transmit on frequency ranges. Within digital radio, there are what we call different modes. And I'm just going to give you like a quick overview. This is by no means meant to be comprehensive, but some of the main digital modes are DMR, D-Star, System Fusion, NXDN, and P25. So DMR is widely used. It's kind of like, it's not open source, but it is been picked up by many companies, and so it's very widely used as one of the more standard digital modes. It's used by ham radio operators, commercial radio. It's got 2 slots, talk groups, and in the ham radio world, it's compatible with the Brandmeister and TGIF networks, which you'll hear more about as we go along. So that's DMR, and that's actually where we fall into. The majority of the equipment we sell is DMR, digital mobile radio. Now there's also D-Star. This is ham only. It's got call sign routing. It was kind of based with ICOM. It may be used somewhat in the commercial realm, not 100% sure on that. There's also System Fusion, which is a company called Yaesu. It's Yaesu only, so you have to have their equipment. It's user friendly. It does analog and digital and has auto detect features. Then there's NXDN. NXDN was developed by Kenwood, which is another company, but there are other companies that make radios that will work on their NXDN system. It's used mostly for business and public safety. You can find that within ham radio as well, but it is widely used and it has trunking capability. Then there's also P25. P25 is used pretty much exclusively for emergency use. It's highly secure. It's mostly also very expensive, and so those are like the different kind of main different modes: DMR, D-Star, System Fusion, NXDN, and P25. And again, we predominantly use DMR. We do have our hotspots that will use the different mode functions, and there may be more expansion into that in the future. But currently, as I said once in the other video, we are kind of known as the kings of DMR, at least in the ham radio space, and in the commercial space, that's what we sell.